Yes, this is another unboxing. This is not a handbag, but it's something I always wanted to get. So let's find out what I purchased this time. My receipt. I got this from Saks Fifth Avenue, one of my favorite stores. This is what I got. Did you guess it? So I heard this is very popular and somebody recommended it to me, and I was eyeing this for a while and I finally decided to get it. So here is the price. It's $255 US. So I think it's reasonable. I mean it's under $300 and it's from Louis Vuitton. It has this piece, so I hope this is comfortable. I also love the fact that it's adjustable. The reason about this strap was I wanted something for my multi-pochette. So a lot of you know that I love this bag, and I think I've been talking about this for a while now. Mine came with the pink strap, but I feel like that strap is very wide and I don't want to use that every day, because I use this every day for my work tote. I just put this in my work tote and carry my phone, wallet and keys with me, so I wanted something thinner. That's why I picked this strap. Let me attach the strap to the back and I will come back. Okay, it's really nice. I'm gonna play around with the lens here and show some mouth shots here.
Bare feet on concrete, told me walk to the singing road. The one that calls out my name, the one that calls out home. Bare feet on concrete, trace the lines of a paper map.
I know I promised no more unboxing, I just couldn't resist. So anyhow, I really like this purchase and it's cheap. I mean, it's only $255. I think it can be very practical. You can use it for so many bags from Louis Vuitton. Right now, I only want to use this with my multi-pochette with this big pouch, but in the future, I think I can use it for other handbags as well. If you like this unboxing, please hit the like button to support my channel, and if you like my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss my videos in the future. I actually have been very busy lately, and I will try to at least have one video a week. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!